Hi guys, here's here, Bionic Tech. I have the Samsung S22 Ultra that you can just see here. This one is the Exynos 2200, right, with the Eclipse 920 AMD GPU, and here I have the iPhone 13, all right. It's an iPhone 13, not a Pro version. 256 GB of storage here. 256 GB of storage here. So without any further ado, guys, I am going to run a compute benchmark in 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Oops, okay. I was a bit slower on the Exynos 2200, but that probably will not make too much sense. Let's just see how much we're gonna get. Oh, the iPhone, although started late, now finished 10,709. The Samsung S22 Ultra, guys, yep, you can just see it here, 8,721. Okay, I'm running the latest version here from GeekBench. This is using the A15 Bionic. This here is using the Exynos 2200. Yeah, this is what you can just see, guys. It is what it is, and I'm gonna go now and I'm going to run the CPU benchmark. Let's just hope that the Samsung can catch up in 3, 2, 1. And I'm even again gonna start this one first. I already know that the Exynos 2200 is not really being able to catch up, but it's just interesting to see the differences between really the Apple A15 Bionic chip and the latest, right, the latest Samsung Exynos 2200, which we know scores just a bit below the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, right? But yeah, what I want to show in this video is really the gap between the latest Android chips, right, and the latest iPhone chips. And well, today is actually a good day. Today Apple released 2 new iPhone 13 colors and also an updated version from the iPhone SE, which is, yeah, it's something else. Here iPhone 13, here Samsung S22 Ultra, guys. And yeah, although the iPhone again started late, I have a feeling that the iPhone is gonna finish first, and I'm just thrilled to see the results. I already have a gut feeling that the iPhone is going to beat the Samsung by a lot, but I just want to understand how much exactly is this a lot, right? I want to use numbers here. iPhone almost ready. The Samsung is struggling at about 69%, 70% right now. I have some people around me freaking out. Oh, 1,727 on the single core score and a whooping 4,288. This is really a killer result, guys. This is really a killer result. I've never seen something even close like this on a phone, and I did a lot of tests on the Samsung S22 Ultra Exynos 2200, so I know really how much I'm gonna get, and I can tell you, it is really a noticeable difference, because the difference between the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip and the latest Exynos is not so huge. It's about 5 to 10% max. Here it's way more, and you can just see this phone already took a break and went to the sea having a beer on the beach. This phone is still traveling to the seaside, so yeah, what can I tell you, guys? Let's see. Oh, 1,138 on the single core score, and we have 3,090 on the multi-core score. I think this is the real results, guys. You can judge for yourself where Apple are with the latest Apple A15 Bionic, and this year probably gonna get another updated Apple chip. This here is the latest Exynos, and I think the results just speak for themselves. I really hope that you like this video. If that's the case, like the video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, I'm gonna go and cry in the corner. I'm gonna return this to his owner, and yeah, please stay safe. Bye.